All right, guys, Model Man Frank here. We are going to fly the Taylorcraft. This is the Hobby Lobby Tailcraft. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to more to come. Yeah, that was prop head. Prop's too big. Whoever put a big prop on this plane really did it injustice to it. Okay, here we go. Too much wing wobble. I'm coming in, Mike, real quick. It's not doing very well. There's a lot of wing wobble. I'm not exactly sure why, but I do definitely need to the prop. Too much prop on this plane. I think it's just too much weight. So smaller prop, probably a 10.6. This one here, oh my gosh, is a 12. Way too much prop, way too much prop. So I'll take it back to the shop and we will figure this one out. All right. All right, guys, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.